The next three-line profile that we're going to talk about is the 3-6, and that's the martyr role model. And the 3 is the mind conscious side, the 6 is the body unconscious side. Your life is all about embracing the process of making mistakes, practicing emotional resiliency, and becoming an example of integrity through lived experience. That's your moniker here. The mental process for this profile is experimentation, constantly learning through mistakes and failure. This hands-on experience will allow you to accumulate valuable insights and develop deep understanding of what works and what doesn't work. The body needs to move through 3 unique phases in life that is very indicative of a 6-line. The first phase is learning through experience in the early years. So you live essentially as a pure 3-line. You're just a 3. A trial, error, experiment, and gather all that data from experience. And then the second phase is reflecting and healing through all the mistakes and trials and tribulations through to your midlife. And then at that third phase, you're integrating and embodying the wisdom of all that as you step into your role of being a role model. In the early phase of life, your life will purely be 3rd-line, like I said. It's going to be pure experimentation with life, figuring out what works and what doesn't work. As you transition to that second phase, which will be around your Saturn return, again, astrology stuff, and that's a whole different conversation altogether. You'll find yourself stepping back a little bit and almost hermit-like and reflecting on what you learned, integrating that wisdom through wisdom gained and embodying the integration of all this information, which will allow you to get to that third phase, which is around Chiron's return. You'll fully step into your role as a role model, embodying the integrity and wisdom you gained through that lived experience. The challenge for this design type is embracing each phase of the journey without getting discouraged by setbacks and mistakes along the way. It's essential that you see the mistakes as stepping stones that are leading you towards success, as your journey is one of continuous growth and evolution. As you step into this role model phase, you'll trust the wisdom gained by embodying the integrity that comes forward from all of those experiences and integrating those. And by honoring each phase of that journey and recognizing the value of those lived experiences, you can fully express the gifts and inspire others with your resiliency and wisdom. For career and relationships, you thrive when you can experiment with life, then use the wisdom gained from those experiences to guide others. You're most fulfilled in an environment where you can make mistakes, learn from them, and then step into a leadership role as you mature. And then lean into roles or connections that allow you to move through your life's phases without judgment or persecution even, and where you can experience the trial and error side that will eventually evolve into a position of wisdom and guidance for others. And this is the 3-6 Martyr role model human design profile.